The remote. Other enough. Should we discuss question? Today first we'll discuss question. Start this last one. Yes, sir. How to display the message Linux on my screen? How to display the message Linux on my screen? I'm understand my word. Please focus. How to display the word? Linux is the word. I want to display on my screen.
We have echo string of Linux.
Echo Linux. Every time we can't use direct question, sir. What is the echo? If you can repeat that question. Correct? Next person. I want to display Praveen, Ajay, Santosh line by line. Praveen first line number echo, Ajay second line, Santosh third line. I want to display line by line. There is no file here. I want to display a line by line statement. Praveen, Ajay, Santosh.
Echo, double quote, first Praveen. Echo, hyphen E, double quotes, Praveen, escape character, slash and backslash, next name, backslash.
Good. How to verify previous command is successfully executed or not?
On zero, it will execute it, otherwise.
Your command is not there. Echo dollar question. You made it. I have 100 lines. I want to display the line number from 55 to 75. Only. I don't remember any question I asked to you. Didn't it? No one will concentrate on the people who know you. This question. Okay, next person. Vivek. I want to display the line number from 55 to 75. Faster. A total 100 lines. 55 and 75. Don't speak, sir, please. Complete statement once again. 875, that's 59. File name, bedwa. Right? I don't know, sir. You should have 55 to 75. 8-75, file name. You get 75 lines. Number is 55 and 75. Bottom 10 barata. Pipeline tile hyphen 20. I don't know. Yes, sir. I want to display the line number from 5 to 15. First. Get back, sir. 5 to 15. One side. 8-15, file name, pipeline tile. Tile also, what? Tile hyphen 10. Yes, sir. I would like to, there is a file 1, file 2. Both the file command output I want to save into the third file called as F3. Full. No helping. File 1, file 2 is this, sir. The both the file content I want to say the third file called as F3. Next bench. File 1, file 2 content I want to say in the file called as F3. File 1, file 2 is there. Both the file content I want to say in the file called as F3. Next person.
F1, F2 double greater than
F1, F2 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Only F1, F2 before that? Uptime and who command output. I want to send a file called as a kartik.txt. Uptime and who command output. I want to save it a file called as a kartik.txt. Uptime and the who command ಎರಡು output ಬೇಕು. Two output I want to send a file called as a kartik.txt. Okay. Who command? Correct again. Uptime.
Uptime single greater than file name kartik double greater than.
Who command? Correct, sir. Who command? Double greater than kartik.txt. Don't block your answers. You're telling correct only, right? Telling old one, wrong also no problem. Yes, sir. Out of the current run level. How to change the run level temporarily? How to change the run level temporarily? Yes, sir. Q&A. How to change the run level temporarily? Need space run level. What are the types of run level? Explain, madam.
Graphic level like military and unit fighter, military is power of the reading. Unit 1 is unit 0 shutdown. 1 is single user mode. 2 is multi-user mode with non-user code. And 4 is not in mode. 3 is command line. 4 is not in mode. 5 is and 6 is
How to, can you tell me what are the options in copy command? Copy command.
can name the file.
Okay.
Copy the source file to destination. Copy the source file to destination.
Both are same, no? Put it all. 3 options are there. No. 2 options. Another one option. Copying the file, the same path a different name. That you told rename. Rename is not the same. Copying the same file a different name. Copying the same file with the to different folder. Copying a file to different folder is a different name. Clear? Yes, sir. How to delete a file? How many days, madam? 5 days. 5 days are not came. Both of them? Yes. Friendship there also. How to delete a file without asking the confirmation? I want to delete a file. Yes. I don't want to ask the confirmation. RM says silence you ask the confirmation, right? How to delete a folder? Delete a folder, madam. Can try, madam? RMF and RF report. I want to display only the files starting with P. Next to P, there must be one number. I want to display all the files starting with P. Next to P, there must be one number. We running class, sir. All the things. Next person, madam. I want to display all the files under current path. Next to P, there must be a one number. Can try, madam? I want to display all the files starting with P. Next to P, there must be a number. You, madam. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆವೆಂಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಫೈಲ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಿಂದ ಪಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಪಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಿ 02 yes sir I want to display the hidden files to the hidden folder. I want to display on the current path I have hidden files and folders sir I want to display ls-nt I won't show. What is that another command? I have normal file praveen.txt. I want to convert into hidden file. I have praveen.txt file ಇದೆ ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ನನಗೆ hidden file ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಡ್ತೀರಾ
Sir, MB space praveen.txt
okay
space
correct perfect answer move original file name any name starting with dot converting normal file to hidden file yes sir I would like to know count of lines in a file yes sir count of characters count of characters in file count of words madam W I would like to know okay particular process is running or not I would like to check particular process is running or not how to confirm it's running or not how to confirm it's running or not if you're getting a count of line greater than 1 then process is running yes sir different between kill and kill -9
kill uses kill deletes with parent permission. Kill deletes without parent permission.
P kill and kill difference. Mr. Shashank. Kill and P kill.
Please take out from take attention from parent.
No, you should tell me. Kill and P kill. No need to take tension, okay? Please, I'm helping you guys, not to pressurize. I'm asking question to help you. If you want to tell, no. Killer? That's it. Good. Kill and P, kill -9 and P kill -9.
Uses deletes the file with parent permission.
Not file, kill the process.
Kill -9 without asking permission.
P kill -9? Process name. Kill -9 and P kill -9 both going to take the parent permission by using process ID and another one is process name. Yes or no? User. Last second bench. One friend, right? Okay. Now I want to file. I have file. I want to sort the file which contains number in a descending order. You're answering no sir previously. What happened today? I have a file which contains the numbers. I want to sort the file in a descending order. Sort hyphen. NR. Sure. Sure or not, sir? Sure. Yes, sir. I want to sort, not sort. I want to remove all duplicate content in the file. I want to remove all duplicate content in the file. I have file with. Very good. Yes, sir. I would like to know how many times each content repeats in a file. ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಜಯ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ I want to know you sir Manjunath I want to know how many times each content repeats in a file. Sort okay sort file name pipeline unique hyphen C. Now load average I want to complete definition. Let me you try sir. Let's see. Yes sir. Load average complete explanation. Correctly. For complete explanation load average. What you know you can answer. Not pressurizing here. Correctly sir. Let me go with Nandan. Can you try sir? Know the topic? Yes, no. Yes sir. So I am asking question. Be very clear in point. To help you guys. Only if you face the challenges only we will come out of our comfortable zone. Otherwise, we'll be in that circle only. That doesn't going to help you. You may feel bad right now about me. Why is asking question again and again? Yes sir. Don't you even feel bad? I can't help with my job. I want to get known that my intention is to get everyone to get job. Who will get job? Who have knowledge. Even if you have knowledge, you should be able to speak out. Blocking here doesn't help you. Right, wrong, doesn't matter. So you should speak up. That is the main concern for me. Yes, sir. Nandan.
It will check the health status and how fast is the server is running, and it will depend upon the number of the core processors. If the core processor is greater than the
Load average.
load average is greater than the core processor, then there is an issue. If it is not greater than, there is no issue. There are
Enough.
two ways.
Enough. Thank you. Good. Done, sir? No. Yesterday, what was the topic we ended? We discussed on the ETC. Slash ETC was last, right? Slash ETC was last. Okay. Today we are going to cover the directory structure. Another 3 important directory that will cover it off. Then we'll see how what we can do. Watch. Abdul sir, go to CD slash. Everyone should do from putty only. Done. CD space forward slash. Observe ಮಾಡಿ sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Here you'll able to see one directory called as a proc. Yes sir. Proc directory. Okay. Proc directory I explained to you about how to record the file. How to record the file I told, right? Deleted file. On Saturday or when I don't know, but what I covered. Yes sir, no sir. We deleted the file. We done. Right. On that time also I used slash proc. Hope you remember. If you not remember, no problem. Now you can think. Slash proc directory. Slash proc directory contain only the live details of your server. Proc directory contains the only the live details of your server. Meaning is what are the things is running right now the server, that details only present in slash proc, which are already done, which are already going to happen in future, that and all won't be. Right now in this moment, what are the things running in your Linux server, that all the details present in slash proc. To run on laptop, what are the things you require, sir? To run a laptop, one laptop should functioning, what are the things you require? Hard disk, motherboard, RAM, ಮತ್ತೆ OS is okay. OS only we can running. Hard disk is okay. RAM is okay. Another one important, processor. Correct, sir? That all the hardware details is coming from here only. During load or sir, I used one command, you remember. cat slash proc CPU info. Proc directory use ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ to know the count of processor. Cat slash proc CPU info pipeline grep processor. Correct? That CPU information also coming from proc directory only. Correct? Any live details coming from the Linux server, only from proc directory. All the running details, live details are coming only from the /proc directory. Understand my point? Yes or no? This we going to discuss much more. Okay. One by one we'll do it. No worry. First we'll take about the memory, sir. To check the memory details, which command will you use, sir? Free command. Let me open another session. You don't need to open. Just I'm showing you. Later you can execute. I'll execute. I open 2 sessions as a root only. Since I want to show you that. Free command, sir. The free command is coming, output is coming from the proc directory only. I'll show you now. I'll go inside proc. Under proc directory, there is a one file called as a meminfo. There is a file, the question free command output is coming from which file? cat/proc meminfo. See, sir, here. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾ ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಹೌದಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 409599 ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸಂಬೆ ಹಾ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್ SAP, sir. Correct? SAP total. Bandidya. Free command output is coming. Free command from memo details. This detail is coming from the cat/proc meminfo only. Understanding my point? Yes? No. Yes, sir? No. Next point. You can also try, sir. Cat/proc meminfo. Do it. Go to CD proc. Go to CD/. Otherwise, directly you can open this file only. Otherwise, directly you can open like this. No need to go to proc also. meminfo. Yes, sir. Getting right? Free command output is coming from the cat/proc meminfo file. Understood? Yes, sir. Now CPU, sir. cat/proc CPU info coding. It shows the CPU information. cat/proc CPU info. cat/proc CPU info. meminfo will show the memo details. cat/CPU info will show the CPU details of your server. Manta, sir? What DMI decode? CPU processor, DMI decode -T processor it will show, right? As it is same. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸೇಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಗ್ರಾಪ್ನ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. Getting my point, sir? cat/proc CPU info will show the processor detail. cat/proc meminfo will show the memory detail. Free command output is coming from the cat/proc meminfo. Yes? No. For hard disk we discussed one command. What is this command? Partition. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. df-h. What happened? Too much questions today. Should be used to it. No issue. No chance. No escape here in my class. df-h. df-h shows the partition details of your server. How does, sir? In df-h command is coming from the file cat/proc mounts. cat/proc mounts is the file responsible for the df-h. That I am going to prove you now. Please observe here now. Please observe. cat/proc mounts. These are files responsible for the df-h command. Okay, I'll prove you. Please observe. I'm getting /star here. Please observe. 1 second. I'm getting /star here. This slash entry is there. df-h. Yes, sir. Is there? Now, second line. What is that? Slash dev SHM. Where is slash dev SHM? Is there here? Is there, sir? No. Slash boot. Is there, sir? Getting my point, sir? You may ask me what is the other entries? Other entries are the inbuilt. What are the df-h command output you're getting, right? That all the partition user can use. That all the partition ready to use can be used by the user. What are the remaining entry you're getting? That are the inbuilt partitions. Inbuilt partition is used to make your server up. That are the inbuilt partition is used to make your server up. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Understanding or not, please confirm me. Getting right? Correct? What are the catproc mounts it will show? Complete partition what mounted details show. You will get in DFF and H entry only 3 entries. What are the remaining partitions? That are the inbuilt partition file system which used to make your server up. Understand my point or not? Yes, sir. You'll be able to see proc also. Yes, slash proc and here. You're able to see slash proc here. Slash proc also inbuilt file system only, which contain only the live details of your server. This slash proc user can't use. It will automatically get updated. User file or directory create ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. This is used by the server to update the live information. Understood my point? Yes? No? Clear, sir? I repeat once again. Slash proc is the live directory which contain only the live details, which contain only the running details. We contain only run details. 3 information I checked: CPU information, memory information, storage information. Correct? We're going to prove another version also. Firefox we checked already. Opening a Firefox particular browser running or not. That was the live, sir. PSI and a pipeline graph Firefox ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we getting a count of line greater than 1. Firefox is running. We getting a count of line is equal to 1. Firefox is not running. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. That process ID is there, right? The process ID is also live details that are also coming from proc. That I'm going to prove you now. First I'm going to do, later everyone going to do. Okay, please observe, keep your mind here. Verify first. Grab Firefox CGI. Do this. Team batch completed. Why they started calling? Clear, sir? No. Firefox is not running. I'm going to start Firefox now first. First I'll do it, later you're going to do. Don't be in a hurry. I'll open Firefox. Notice a relay. Observe here now. Got the Firefox, sir? This is the process ID. Whenever any new process getting started, what are the process is going to show in top command? What is the process is going to show in ps-ef? For all the process, one ID is there. For each process ID, one directory will be there under proc. That I'm going to prove you. Later you're going to do. Don't be in hurry. Slash proc process ID ಯಾವುದು 54 entry ಇದೆಯಾ? Entry is sir 548. Now I'm going to stop the process. I'm going to kill the instead of I go to command. I can kill directly, Kill. What I told, proc directory contain only live details. Once it kill it 5438, it won't be live. It will dead. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ TMP ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ CD ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ proc 5438. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. This proves, sir, it contain only live details. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understand my point? Yes, no.
Yes.
First Firefox launch ಮಾಡಿದೆ, process ID capture ಮಾಡಿ CD ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇತ್ತು. Kill ಮಾಡಿದೆ process ID ನ. Again I try to CD, it didn't work. Yes, no? Can you try? I want you to try that one. Getting Shashank, right his name. When you told Shashank means you told yes, no. We're asking class. Huh? Harsha, right? Morning I told Shashank to you. You agreed. Renamed your name. That is the first open Firefox, minimize Firefox, go to command line, go to cd/proc, check for the process. First Firefox process ID capture ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cd/proc process ID ಮಾಡಿ. Then kill the process ID. Then again try to cd to that process ID. Then it won't. So paragraph. cd to cd/proc. Then it will do. Okay, done. Okay, you are in command line. Oh, you are not able to open Firefox. So, when you are facing, what you need to do? You need to go to graphical mode. You need space 5. You need space 5. Now get a graphical mode. You are secondary and permanent level into command line user. Those people who are not able to see the Firefox, you need to first go to the graphical mode. You need space 5. Then you can do it. Go on, try it, sir. Go on, try it. Okay, wait for another 2 minutes. People are doing now. First, you need to open Firefox. Come back to command line. ps-5 Firefox. Capture the process ID. cd/proc process ID. Directly with that. Kill the process ID. Again, try to cd. It's going as a no such file or directory. Can you record and let me know, sir? Aida? Yes, sir? Madam? Come back here now. Please, sir. Please, sir. Come back, come back, come back. Aida, Ilva? Done, sir? Now, we'll discuss about the another directory. Come back here, sir, please. Go to cd/ and another point, sorry, I missed it. /proc is also called as a pseudo file system. Is also called as a pseudo file system, live directory, live file system. Because they contain only live details only. Clear? Go to cd/, do ls-lt here. Now, observe immediately. Now, done, sir? Now observe, sir, please. Any Linux we learned around, at least now, till now we discussed around a minimum of 25 commands. Minimum of 25 to 30 commands we discussed. These commands are installed where? Where these all the commands are installed? All the commands in the Linux are installed in 4 parts. All the commands in Linux are installed in only 4 parts. /bin, /sbin, /usrbin, /usrsbin. I repeat once again. All the commands in Linux are installed in only in 4 parts. /bin, /sbin, /usrbin, /usrsbin. Under slash only, you are able to see 2 folders, bin ಮತ್ತೆ sbin ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ls-lt bin ಇರುತ್ತೆ, sbin ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. instead of manually checking, you can do this. Right? Is there, sir? Correct? No. There is another folder called as a USR. ls-lt USR ಕೊಡಿ. ls-lt USR ಕೊಡಿ, sir. Ready, sir? Understood? Yes? No? No. Under, please observe. Ready, sir? Last second bench. Ready? Okay. Bin, yes, bin. Under USR also, there's only instead of going inside USR and okay, we can go inside also for better understanding. Go to CD USR. Go to CD USR. Do ls-ld bin, yes bin. 4 parts are there of commands. All the Linux commands are installed in mainly 4 parts. Slash bin, slash sbin, slash usr bin, slash usr sbin. Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Yes or no? Correct. Now, let's go to cd slash bin to verify for you for your confirmation. Go to cd slash bin. Go to cd slash bin. Do ls-ltr. That is a user binary file, sir. User system binary file. Slash bin for only binary file. Sbin for system binary file. I repeat once again. Bin folder is a binary files. Sbin system binary file. USR bin user binary file. USR sbin user system binary file. Correct, sir? Now go to cd slash bin. Do ls-ltr. You're getting a lot of entries. How's yes, sir. These all are commands. These all are commands. To prove you can do under your everyone under slash bin. Yes or no? Do ls-ltr. ls kodi. ls and ls command we learned, right? ls command we learned, sir. The ls command coming from this path. Adhe tarane lot of command you learned. You learned copy command. cp command coming from here only. cp command. All the commands are coming from here only, sir. Mainly 4 paths. Slash bin, slash sbin, slash usr bin, usr sbin. You don't need to know this command is installed in which path. But we can know by the command line. ls command ಎಲ್ಲಿ install ಆಗಿದೆ, uname command ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. You don't need to go to e4 folder and verify. We can search by which command. Which is the command? It will show where this particular command is installed. Free command. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? What the free command? Please observe 1 second. What the free command executing? Actually, getting the uname command. Which space uname you want to know where it is installed. You need to know which space command. It will show path of the command where it got installed. Understood? Please try, sir. Everyone should do. Everyone should do, sir. Sir, no. Sir. Sir. Getting right. Get right. Any command you can write. Aita? Yes, sir. Go to cd slash again. You'll be able to see one directory called as a boot. Boot directory. Boot. Yes, sir. You're able to see one directory called as boot, sir. Go inside boot directory. cd boot. How's cd boot, sir. cd slash go to cd boot madadra. I have a lot of entry. You don't worry about these entries. This entry ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? Yes, no. Everyone to cd slash boot. Yes, ಇದು ls-ltr. What is boot directory? Boot directory contains all the important files and directories which is required for the booting of your server. Boot directory contains all the important files and folder, images file which is required for the booting of your server. If you delete any one of the files in boot directory, your server will not become up. If you want to try, go to home and try. Go to home, delete this file, power on, server will not become up. If you want to try, try it, but don't do this in production. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ boot directory contains all the important files and folder and images file which is required for the booting of your server during single user mode sir reboot ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ press any key continue again we press key we went to second line VM Linux single user mode reboot press E again went to second line VM Linux second line remember right
Yes, sir.
that is the file it is. You delete this file. That's the thing I told you to don't use D. This is manual RM ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ boot ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ RM. Delete means gone. There is no other option to recover until you reinstall the server. Getting my point, sir? Want to try? Yes, sir. Very no. Clear, sir? Understanding? Flash boot directory contains all the important files, directory and images file which is required for the booting of your Linux server. Now we have the last directory. Once this completed, our directory structure will be completed. You are able to see one directory called as the root here. Root on the directory is here. For all the normal user, home directory will be where? Under /home. Under /home by the directory name. Yes or no, sir? Praveen having a home directory under /home by /home Praveen. Ajay having a home directory, we created on folder, right? What is the use? July 16 or something. July 16. That we under /home July 16. Howda? Adhe tare root user ge. Root user home directory. It's a /boot. Normal user home directory under /home. Root user home directory will be under /root. To prove you, I'm going to show you. Let me take a normal user. Let me do, please. What is the home directory concept? Other users should not be able to access. Now I'm going to log into as Santosh. I'll try to access cd/root. This is the home directory of root user. Agala. Correct, sir? Correct? Only root user can log into this directory. Root directory. To verify you, when you go to your home directory, like Santosh, sir. When Santosh go back to his home, /home Santosh, automatically it will come like this. How's your TMPL is in. If I went back to my home directory, automatically this symbol barata. Adhe tara root user ge, if I go to root directory, automatically symbol ke. Everyone know their home. So automatically symbol will come. Thing we discussed about the Flash. Flash is the beginning of your Linux server. Flash TMP, everyone, whenever any user getting created, immediately they getting access on Flash TMP. Any user can create a file under Flash TMP. One user can create a file, other user can easily access that file also. How's that, sir? Right? Second, to learn how to secure my files. So the into the topic called as the home directory. For that, we done a lot of things. We created a user, we set a password. One user will not be able to access the home directory of other. Praveen can't access home directory of Aman. Aman can't access home directory of Praveen. Correct? So data will be secure. Any data you want to save, any data you don't want to share, any security information, any password information which was not supposed to share with any of the user, that type of information we are supposed to save in only in the home directory. /home is not a home directory. Under /home, what the directory by your name? That is your home directory. Understood, sir? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next week is going to discuss lot of file slash var log movement. Under slash var log, first we will discuss the messages file. Messages file contain the general log messages. Contain only the general log messages. What are the each event occur in Linux server? Everything will be recorded. Yes, sir. Second file we discuss the D message. DA by decode will show the hardware detail present in server. D message will verify what are the hardware connected is working fine or not. Next we discuss cron or all scheduled task whether we execute successfully or not to identify cron. Mail log whether mail which got triggered from server is successfully delivered the recipient or not. Secure. What's the secure? Password? Who told test or not? Who told test or not? Who told sir? Test or not? Madam, that is why it is shadow. Whether entered password is right or wrong. Authentication log detail. How that is sir? A boot.log contain all the service shows what are the services got started, which are services didn't got started during booting of your server. This is all the log file we discussed. Then we went back to etc. What is the C drive concept in Linux, Windows? Same thing in Linux, etc. etc directory contain for all the permanent changes, any config system changes will happen only in the /etc directory in the Linux server. Then we discussed about the proc. Correct? It contain only the live details. Correct? Then /boot will contain all the important files which are required for the booting of your Linux server. And root directory is the home directory for the root user. Yes? No? Got the? Now we can have the introduction about the user administration, but we're going to start tomorrow. But let's have the introduction about the user administration from this one to tomorrow onwards. By the next Wednesday, next Saturday, next Friday, I can tell 45% will be completed. 40, 42% will be completed. User administration, group administration, one done means. After that, we'll start with the permissions and all the topics. Once permission is completed, we can easily tell 65%. Getting my point, sir? Sir, now we got all the things covered. Now we're starting with the user. What is the user? First thing. Why user is required? What are the types of user in Linux server? That details we discussed today, but we're going to create a new user tomorrow. We're going to create a new user. Again, we're going to set up a user administration. Creating a user, setting password, home directory discussion. Again, I'm going to do, as I told you. Again, I'm going to repeat because since I want to show the example of home directory, I have only glance of that one. Tomorrow, we're going to cover the user administration topic only. From tomorrow to next latest day. User administration only will be there. After the group will start. What are the types of user? Why user is required? There are three types of users. There are three types of user. Any website, anything you want to log in, you require username and password. How's there are three types of user. First type of user is the, so you can close the door. Administrator. Second is system users. Third is normal user. Administrator user. Which is the administrator for Linux? Root. Root is the first user which are getting created during OS installation of the Linux server. Root having a complete right on the Linux server. He can perform any action on Linux server without anyone's permission. Yes or no? Root user ID will be always be root user ID. User ID always be 0. User ID of root will be always be 0. System user. What are system user? System users are the users which are getting created during OS installation or any of the package or software installation. System users are the users which are getting created during OS installation or any of the package or software installation. ನೀವೇನೇ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್, ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಆದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, when you install VLC player, correct? By the VLC player, one user will be created. When you install any software, by that software name only, one user will be created to manage that application. Correct? System users are the user which are getting created during OS installation or any of the package or software installation. By using system user, we can't log into Linux server. System users are used to manage the OS and software which got created. Getting my point, sir? By using system user, we can't log in. System users are the user which got created during OS installation or any other package or software installation. If you install any software application, by that application name only, one user will be created to manage that application whenever you open. Understanding my point, sir? The system user ID varies from 1 to 499 in Red Hat 6. 1 to 999 in Red Hat 7 onwards. Getting my point, sir? No, normal user already got that. Only two types of user can log into Linux server. That is one administrator, another is normal user. System user automatic agirutte. By using system user, we can't log in. System users are used to manage when you open any particular application. VLC media player open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ VLC media player user manage ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Google Chrome open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Google Chrome user ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು manage ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. When I install any software, one user will be created to manage that application. Understood? Yes? No. Normal users are the user which is getting created manually by using user add command, which we done yesterday. Correct? That we are going to do tomorrow also. Correct? His ID vary from 500 to 60,000. ID. This is the unique ID assigned for each user. As you have PAN card number, as it is ID for each user. ಅದೇ 7 ಇಂದ 1000 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sir. But my point, yes, no. Yes, sir. How to create a user? We already came to know how to set the password. We came to know, but again we are going to repeat tomorrow on the user administration topic by creating user, setting password, home directory, everything going to discuss one by one detail. Clear? Yes. No. Be active. Bye. Voice is very low, sir.